If your anti-hair fall shampoo never works, it is not because the shampoo is bad, but because it was never actually designed to reduce hair fall and you're not giving it proper support to work effectively. I've had long hair for over 7 years now and I've tried hundreds of different anti-hair fall shampoos and none of them could work effectively until I supported them with something that I now call SSS, Shampoo Support System, and you won't believe what it can do. This system can literally make any anti-hair fall shampoo work at its full potential, and it is surprisingly easy to do because it works on one very important fact. शैम्पू एक क्लीनिंग प्रोडक्ट है, वो डर्ट, ऑयल और बिल्डअप को स्कैल्प के सरफेस पे से क्लीन करता है. बट द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हेयर फॉल डज नॉट स्टार्ट ऑन द सरफेस, इट स्टार्ट्स डीप अराउंड द रूट एरिया. And understanding this is way more important than you think. This is the reason why no matter how fresh and clean your scalp feels after washing, a shampoo never fixes hair fall because cleaning the surface is not the same as fixing the root cause. इसीलिए कोई भी एंटी हेयर फॉल शैम्पू तुम्हारे रूटीन को सिर्फ सपोर्ट कर सकता है. You can never entirely depend on just a shampoo to fix your hair fall. If you don't believe me, here's what Gemini says. So I'll tell you what actually causes hair fall, why your anti-hair fall shampoos are constantly failing, and most importantly, how to make them work using the shampoo support system. And once you understand this, you won't have to keep switching shampoos ever again. But the most impressive part is, using the shampoo support system is surprisingly easy. You don't have to purchase any expensive products and anyone can do it to improve your hair growth or hair fall. But before we dive into that, let's very quickly clear what a shampoo can actually do for you, and it is very important to know that because otherwise तुम्हें समझ नहीं आएगा कि shampoo support system actual में काम कैसे करता है. Your anti-hair fall shampoo is designed to clean your scalp, not fix what is happening under it. So let's see what it actually can do. और यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ज्यादातर लोग शैम्पूज को ट्रीटमेंट्स की तरह यूज करते हैं. They expect it to reduce hair fall, strengthen the roots and fix scalp issues सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि इस बॉटल पे एंटी हेयर फॉल लिखा हुआ है. But of course, the reality is very different. You assume that the shampoo is not working for you and you need to buy something better. And here's where things get interesting. बहुत सारे लोग तुम्हें बहुत सारे अलग अलग शैम्पूज खरीदने को बोलेंगे that will fix your hair fall. But in reality, कोई भी शैम्पू तुम्हारी स्कैल्प को सिर्फ प्रिपेयर कर सकता है for the actual treatment. Understand it like this. A shampoo stays on your scalp for at max 1 minute. That is not enough time to reduce inflammation or strengthen the follicles that sit under the skin. A shampoo, however, can remove buildup very effectively. It can reduce dandruff by killing the dandruff causing fungus on the scalp. A shampoo can nourish and moisturize your scalp and hair, but only on the surface. And these things are what makes shampoos effective. That's why some shampoos make your hair feel softer and smoother, and why anti-dandruff shampoos are so effective. But still, they can't fix your hair fall, at least not alone. That's why we have the shampoo support system. So instead of expecting your shampoo to fix everything, you need to use it for what it is actually meant to do, keeping your scalp clean and free from buildup without overwashing and irritating the skin. And it is way more important than you may think, क्योंकि एंटी हेयर फॉल शैम्पू तुम्हारी स्कैल्प को प्रिपेयर करता है एक्चुअल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. So even though the actual fix is beyond washing, a clean scalp creates the base which is essential for any treatment to work effectively. So the truth is simple. तुम्हारा शैम्पू खराब नहीं है. You are just expecting it to do something that it was never designed to do. Hair falls because of what is happening under the scalp, not over it. And the thing that causes hair fall is a poor scalp environment, which can happen due to multiple reasons. Excess oil, buildup, dandruff, irritation around the roots, and most importantly, poor nutritional support. But the surprising part is, इन सारी ही चीज़ों को ठीक करना बहुत ज़्यादा आसान है. Most people think hair fall is about weak hair, so they focus on making their hair stronger from the outside using different shampoos, oils and random products. But of course it never works, and the reason is quite simple. ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि hair fall actually scalp condition problem है. So no matter what anyone says, if you want to improve your hair fall or hair growth, you have to improve the environment in which the hair grows. And that is very easy to do. तुम्हें बस एक clean scalp चाहिए जो तुम्हारा शैम्पू बहुत आसानी से कर सकता है. And you need to support your hair growth from the outside and the inside using the shampoo support system that I will explain in a bit. But a poor scalp environment includes excess oil, dirt, buildup, dandruff, irritation around the roots and a poor nutritional support. And here's how all these things work together to make your hair fall. जब तुम्हारा स्कैल्प एक्सेस ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करता है तो वो डेड स्किन और डर्ट के साथ मिक्स होकर एक बिल्डअप क्रिएट कर देता है. नाउ दिस बिल्डअप बिकम्स द परफेक्ट एनवायरनमेंट फॉर द डैंड्रफ कॉजिंग फंगस which then creates irritation and inflammation. And when your scalp gets irritated, your roots become weak. That's why your hair starts falling more than usual. So instead of focusing how your hair feels, you need to focus on how your scalp feels, because improving the scalp environment is the first real step towards reducing hair fall. So till now we have understood two very important things. Shampoo तुम्हारा hair fall ठीक नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि वो scalp के surface पे काम करता है, and your hair fall is caused by the condition of your scalp underneath the skin. So instead of relying on just a shampoo as the main fix, you have to use it as a part of a larger system that can support the shampoo to reduce your hair fall. And that system is what I call the shampoo support system. And the reason it works so effectively is because it targets hair fall from all directions, using the clean and prepped base that your shampoo provides, paired with inner and outer support. Instead of relying on one product, you need to follow a system that supports your scalp from all directions. ज़्यादातर लोग सिर्फ शैम्पू पे फोकस करते हैं और बाकी सारी चीज़ों को इग्नोर कर देते हैं. And they expect full results from a single step. That is never going to happen. So here's what you should do from now on. Instead of buying the next anti-hair fall shampoo with some newfound groundbreaking anti-hair fall technology that your favorite influencer is promoting, find out yourself that no matter what shampoo you're using, most of them will work if used properly with the shampoo support system. So let me very quickly explain what it is and how it works, and then I'll tell you how you can implement it to very easily improve hair fall or hair growth. 3S works because it relies on three very important things: scalp prep, inner support, and outer support. And each one of these play a different and a very important role in actually fixing the hair fall. Scalp prep controls oil buildup and irritation. This fixes your surface environment where the hair grows and prepares it for the actual treatment. Topical support gives targeted help to your roots and your scalp, something a shampoo alone can never do in a few seconds. This includes hair growth oils and serums. Inner support provides your body with the nutrients needed to build strong hair from the roots, because hair is formed inside your body, not on the surface. And when all three things work together, your scalp becomes stable, your roots become stronger, and your hair fall reduces naturally. So instead of relying on just a shampoo to fix everything, you need to build a routine around these three things in the following manner. Use shampoo as your prep tool, add targeted products if needed, and make sure your body is getting enough nutritional supply. But you cannot learn to swim by simply reading about water. So you need to follow this system in a way that is simple enough to be followed every day. The easiest way to follow the shampoo support system is to think of it as a three-part routine. Clean the scalp, help the roots, and support the body. But the problem is, most people either overcomplicate their routines or they do too little. You just need a structured routine where each step supports the next. This is what makes the shampoo support system work so well, and it is surprisingly easy to follow. Clean the scalp properly does not need any explanation. The shampoo you're using right now is the best one to do this. It will remove buildup and reduce the irritation, which improves the environment. Just make sure you're not overdoing or underdoing it. And here's the shampoo that I'm currently using. Once the base is clean and prepped, you can move on to helping the roots. This is where actual treatment comes in. Use targeted topical support. This includes hair growth serums and special oils made for scalp. This step will directly help the scalp and the roots where a shampoo cannot. Because unlike a shampoo, serums can go deeper into the skin, but more importantly, they have more time to work there. And here's the serum that I am currently using. So far you've prepped the scalp and helped the roots with topical treatments. Now all that's left is supporting the body from the inside. This is where you give your hair the nutrients that it needs to grow stronger from the roots. And a hair multivitamin or even a general multivitamin tablet can help you do that with almost zero effort. And here's the multivitamin that I'm currently using and have been using for a very long time. So to keep it simple, use your shampoo 2 to 3 times a week to keep your scalp clean without overwashing it. If needed, apply a targeted topical treatment product on your scalp after washing instead of just relying on the shampoo. And make sure your diet or supplements are supporting your hair growth from the inside as well. Keep the routine simple, repeat it consistently, and avoid switching products too quickly. So now everything connects. The scalp environment controls the hair fall, and a shampoo can only clean the surface of it. So you need the shampoo support system to actually improve your hair fall. So now you know the truth. Your anti-hair fall shampoo was never supposed to stop hair fall in the first place. Stop expecting just your shampoo to fix your hair fall. Start building a routine that actually does. And always remember one very important thing. I love you.